Have you ever wondered the reason behind aroma of rain? Well, petrichor is the name of smell released by the first rain after a dry spell. Why does it smell that way? Because earth or the soil surface has actinomycetes bacteria that produces geosmin chemical. So when it rains after a dry spell, the rainwater reacts with the geosmin and it gives the petrichor smell. And the other reason is the plants also produce oils such as stearic fatty acid and palmitic fatty acids. So when it rains, these all get released into the air and it gives the aroma that is petrichor. That is why we smell a beautiful smell.